I made this AI filter, it went viral, and I'm going to show you how I did it. When I posted this filter, it got 42,000 views in just 24 hours. Now it's at over 650,000 and still growing. And the best part? It only took me less than 30 minutes to make. Step 1, ideation. It all started with a simple idea, a moving cloud background anyone could use to make dreamy cinematic videos. Step 2, AI image creation. I used MidJourney to generate the perfect cloud scene with the exact style I wanted. Step 3, animate in Kling AI. Then I brought the image into Kling AI to turn it into a smooth moving video. Step 4, image sequence. In Photoshop, I converted the video into an image sequence so it could be used inside the filter. Step 5, build in YouTube Effect Maker. Finally, I uploaded the image sequence into YouTube's new Effect Maker tool, and the filter was ready to go live. And that's how I created this AI filter, now at over 650,000 views and still climbing. I'm making more filters like this, so try it out and tag me when you use it. Bonus for you. Here's a bonus for you. Comment the word Sky Magic below, and I'll send you 5 exclusive prompts to create stunning nature scenes, plus the video prompts to go with them.